Listen up, detectives. Today we have multiple mystery cases we need to crack down, and multiplication is the only tool that can help solve them. So grab your magnifying glass and let's look at our first case. A thief stole 4 bags of emeralds. Each bag has 7 gems inside. How many gems were stolen in total? Can you solve the mystery? To solve any mystery, we need to find out what number operation we need to do. Should we do addition, subtraction, or multiplication? Let's quickly review when do we do additions. When the result increases. Say you have 20 coins and you get 10 more. So total coins becomes 30. The result increased. We also do additions when we combine unequal groups, like we have 7 strawberries, 2 blueberries and 3 cherries, and we need to find how much total fruit do we have. So we'll do combine or add them. When do we do subtractions? Do you remember? When the result decreases. Say you have 20 coins and you give away 5 coins. How many coins are left? 15. So your result decreased. We also do subtractions when we have to do comparison. Like in the case, say we have 2 baskets. The top basket has 30 fruits while the bottom basket has 20 fruits, and we need to find how much more does the top basket has than the bottom one. We have to compare, so we'll do subtraction. But what about multiplications? When do we do them? When we have to combine equal groups. Say we have 5 bags and each bag has same amount of coins. Say 4 coins, and we want to find total how many coins do we have. We'll do combine of equal groups or multiplication. So if you have liked our video so far, give us a like and don't forget to subscribe for all of our upcoming videos on division. Let's continue. So to find a multiplication problem, remember the detective rules of thumb says, if in a problem you are given number of groups and you are given amount in each group and you have to find the total. So you are doing combination of equal groups or repeated addition. We always do multiplication. Do you know the word problem may also have certain clue words that tells us it's multiplication? Let's look. These clue words may look like each, every, per, product, times, or multiplied by, as much, groups of. If you see these clue words, it may be a hint that it's a multiplication word problem. Now that you have honed your skill, let's go back and solve our first case. What do we need to find? Total number of gems. And what are we given? Groups of bags are 4. Each bag has 7 gems. And do you see any clue word here? Each. Great. So it's a multiplication word problem. Let's draw our bar model. One bag has 7 coins and we have 4 such bags. So we have to do 4 times 7, which is 28. So total number of gems are 28. Great. Let's solve our second mystery case. Detective Raj bought a new magnifying glass which cost him 4 times the cost of his old glass. If the cost of his older magnifying glass was $300, how much did he pay for the newer one? So what do we need to find? New price. Let's collect all the given information. What's given? Cost of previous glass was $300. Cost of new glass is 4 times $300. In this problem, there are no groups mentioned, but we are given the clue word times, which tells us it's a multiplication word problem. So we have 300 and we have to repeatedly add 4 times. So this is our bar model and we do 300 times 4. Let's use our magic trick of zeros. We find our first front digits, we multiply them, we find the zeros in each factor and add them to the answer. So there are 2 zeros here, we add them to our answer. The final product becomes $1,200. Great guys, let's solve our last case for today. The case of broken toys. The toy factory produced 9 faulty toy boxes. Each toy box had 48 toys. out of which 16 were broken. How many broken toys were produced in total? Before we solve this case, I highly encourage you to pause and try by yourselves. Let's continue. So what do we need to find? Total broken toys. What is the given information? Group of boxes are 9. Each box has 16 broken toys. Please also note, in this problem you are also given an extra information that each toy box had 48 toys, but we actually did not need it to solve our problem. So many a times you might see that a word problem has been given extra information to confuse you. So you should be able to find that that's an extra information and we don't need it. The bar model for this is 9 boxes of 16 broken toys each. So the multiplication expression is 9 times 16. What do you see? It's a 2-digit multiplication with single digit. Let's use our break, share and add spell that we learnt in our previous video. The 16 can be easily broken down into 10 and 6. And we'll share the power of 9's multiplication with both 10 and 6. And the big multiplication problem reduces to 2 small problems. 9 times 10 plus 9 times 6. So 9 times 10 is 90. 9 6s are 54. Now we add 90 plus 54 is 144. So total broken ties are 144. If you want to learn this magic spell of break, share and add, I will add the link for the video in the description below. Please check it out. Now that you have honed your skills for solving multiplication word problems, you are getting the badge for Master of Multiplication Word Problems. Great job guys, congratulations! Remember to do the trial worksheet. I'll link it in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to get auto-notified for all of our upcoming lessons. I'll see you soon. Bye.